WordPress plugins offer a way to extend the functionality of your website without having to write the code yourself. Like with themes, WordPress.org has a repository of free plugins, which you can also access from the plugins section of your dashboard. For the sake of performance and security, it's not a good idea to load your site up with tons of plugins, but they can be a great solution to make your site do what you want it to. Here are a few examples of popular plugins. WooCommerce adds e-commerce functionality to your WordPress site. BuddyPress turns your site into a full-fledged social network. Contact Form 7 is the most popular plugin for adding contact forms to your site. Akismet monitors your comments and protects you from spam. Yoast SEO helps you optimize your site for search engines, and so on and so forth. We could talk all day about different plugins and what they do, and we'll talk about several specific ones throughout this course, but for now I just wanted to introduce you to what they are and where to find them. Before you install a plugin from WordPress.org, check out the reviews to see what other people are saying about it. Does it do what it claims to do? Does it cause any problems or conflict with other plugins? You can also purchase plugins from third-party vendors, but that's not something you'll need to do often, as most of the functionality you can think of is already covered by free plugins on WordPress.org. If you do decide to buy a premium plugin, do some research on the developer first to make sure they're reputable. WPMU Dev, for example, is an excellent source for quality premium plugins.